How to fix laggy playbacks inside Davinci Resolve 20. Before we start doing anything, make sure that your drivers are all updated, since Davinci Resolve 20 is requiring more power from your computer. So let's do the first thing that you can optimize inside Davinci Resolve. You can head over to Playback, then go to Proxy Handling, and on the right side, prefer Proxies. Then you need to select your medias inside the media pool right here and make them a proxies, so you can highlight them, then right click on them, then go down in the menu and select Proxy Media, and then generate proxy media. Depending on the file size of your media that you want to make a proxies on, it will take you from up to few seconds until few minutes. And this will basically make these files smaller and easy to read for Davinci Resolve, reducing the playback lag and the thinking time of the software. As you can see closely on the files, they're marked as PXI, which is proxy files. Then you can go to the playback button again and then scroll down, this time to proxy timeline resolution, and you can reduce it either to half or quarter. This is affecting only your viewer screen, not the end result. I hope this will help you out. You can also check out this video right here. I'm showing some effects inside Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.